Hi guys, let me go ahead and share my screen with you real quick so you can see my PowerPoint. All right, so my paper is on social comparison on adolescents using social media. So the goal of this paper was to see the effects of social media, social comparison among adolescents. And there's a fun little graphic right there for you to look at. I thought it was cute. Why does it matter? 90% of youth ages 12 through 17 are connected to the internet and more than 70% belong to at least one form of social media. Adolescents who spend 3 hours or more on social media a day are more at risk for mental health problems. The average person now spends 7 hours a day connected to electronic media. And I thought it was interesting because these sources were pretty much recent, so that should give you kind of an estimate of that. So then social media provides a platform for social comparison. And then social comparison is the process of comparing oneself with others in order to enhance or evaluate some aspects of self. And there's two types of social media or social comparison. There's upward, which is when people compare themselves to someone they view as superior. And then there's downward, when people compare themselves to someone that they view as inferior. So I found in my research that there are some negative effects when it comes to social comparison. Depressive behaviors, strongest among females, distorted perceptions of peers, decreases in mood and self-esteem, higher identity distress, and then uncertainty and instability regarding self-concepts. So my research questions that I came up with were, will setting limits on social media use decrease the risk for developing mental health problems? And then will redesigning social media platforms reduce the risk for developing mental health problems? So why would answering these questions make an impact? It would help understand how to prevent or lessen the risk of mental health problems among youth who use social media. And then it would also help come up with ideas of how to alter social media to benefit the user's mental health and test the different ideas. And for the second question, I was thinking along the lines of maybe creating like Instagram or Facebook or something to where you can't see how many likes someone has, because I feel like that kind of affects social comparison a little bit or whatever. And I was just trying to think out of the box of how you could possibly do that. So, all right. And then I think that's all of my PowerPoints. So let me stop sharing. All right. Well, thank you. If you have any questions, Dr. Paul said she'll email them to me and then I'll answer them to the best of my ability. All right, guys. Thank you.